Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you been searching for a way to use Notepad++ on your Mac? Although Notepad++ does not have an official macOS version, you can still run it on your Mac using Wine. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install and use Notepad++ on macOS. Before we start, if you have not installed Wine yet, don't worry. I have already made a complete step-by-step video on installing Wine for Mac. You can watch it using the card at the top or the link in the description. Then come back to this video. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. Now search for Notepad++. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Notepad++. Simply click on this link. Now you can see here the versions. Just choose the version you want to download. I am choosing the latest version. Now scroll down and you will see here the download button. Simply click on this download button. As you can see, the download is completed. Now let's install it. Simply right click on this exe file. Then you can see here open with. Now you can see here Wine staging. Simply click on Wine staging. And that's it. Now your installation of Notepad++ will start from here. And now you can see here the installer is open. Just select the language, then click on OK. Now click on Next. Click on I agree. Then from here just select the directory where you want to install it. Then click on Next. Then click on Next again. Then from here just take this, create shortcut on desktop, then click on install. That's it. As you can see, your installation is started. Now let the installation to be done. It is finished. As you can see, installation is. Now click on finish. Now your Notepad++ will launch. As you can see here the interface of Notepad++. Now from here you can just create a new file, click on this and write it whatever you want. As you can see here, and all the features: saving, edit, search, view, encoding, language, settings, tools, macro, run, plugins, windows, everything you will see here. And things to know: just keep in mind that since Notepad++ is running through Wine, a few plugins or advanced features may not work exactly like they do on Windows. However, for most users, editing code and text files works perfectly fine. And that's how you can install Notepad++ on your Mac using Wine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.